Kaizer Chiefs vs Sundowns. Battle for Apolis heats up. The intense battle between Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns for Polokwane City's Oswin Apolis intensifies. In a shocking turn of events, Mamelodi Sundowns has entered the race to sign Polokwane City's Apolis, challenging Kaizer Chiefs' initial interest. The 23-year-old sensation is now faced with a tough decision, joining Chiefs for a guaranteed playing time and a potential European move, if offered in his contract, or sign with Sundowns for a chance at trophies and higher level competitions. At Chiefs, the chances of starting are greater, potential ensuring Apolis' position in the Bafana Bafana team if he continues his good form. The club could sway if they are also willing to include a clause in his contract allowing him to move to Europe if an opportunity arises. On the other side, Mamelodi Sundowns present a strong case, offering Apolis a chance to win trophies, compete in the CAF Champions League, and play in the African Football League and FIFA World Cup. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.